In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a customer in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're tidying up your records, managing your client list more efficiently, or simply needing to clear out old data, understanding how to make a customer inactive is an essential skill in QuickBooks management. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, so you can accomplish this task with ease. First, you'll want to begin by opening your QuickBooks Online account. After logging in, direct your attention to the left-hand panel where you'll find an option labeled Customers and Leads. This panel is your gateway to everything related to customer management within QuickBooks. Go ahead and click on Customers and Leads. Once you've clicked there, you'll be taken to a new screen where you'll notice a tab labeled Customers. This is where a comprehensive list of all your customer records is stored. Select the Customers tab to access this list. This setup makes it straightforward to view and manage your customer information all in one place. Now, you're ready to locate the specific customer you wish to delete. QuickBooks doesn't actually delete a customer permanently. Instead, you make them inactive. This is great because it keeps your records intact while tidying up your active customer list. Find the customer you want to make inactive and look for a small caret icon next to their name. The caret icon is often overlooked, but it holds the key to initiating various actions for each customer, including making them inactive. Click on this icon. Upon clicking the caret, a drop-down menu will appear, providing you with several options. From this list, you'll want to select Make Inactive. By choosing this, you're effectively removing the customer from your active list. But don't worry, QuickBooks retains all associated data. This is beneficial if you ever decide to reactivate the customer or need historical data for future reference. And that's it. You've successfully made a customer inactive in QuickBooks Online. Remember, making a customer inactive doesn't delete their information permanently. Their details are still stored within your system, ensuring you can readily access past data if needed. This makes QuickBooks Online a flexible and user-friendly tool for business management by allowing you to maintain accurate records without cluttering your active lists. I hope this walkthrough has been clear and useful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or check QuickBooks' help resources. With this knowledge, managing your customer list should be a simpler task, contributing to a more organized and efficient bookkeeping system. Thank you for tuning in, and happy bookkeeping!